Do you own your own online clothing store and want to hire virtual models? Or are you an online shopper that wants to try out their clothes before actually ordering them online? Hi, my name is Glenn, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the power of AI to change the look of your images for free. Let's go. All right, so we are in a particular website. And it's called Kolors Virtual Try-On in the wild, which is a free app. It's a free AI app where you can upload one of your images, and then you can replace the clothes that you're wearing. It doesn't have to be you; it can be a model as well. And look, this is great for, I guess, first of all, shoppers. If you want to. If you're shopping for new clothes, you can basically, technically try on an outfit before, you buy it in a virtual world. The other one is if you have your own online business, you can basically use AI models and then, put in the clothes that you're selling, and then they can basically wear it for you on your behalf. You don't have to spend hundreds of or thousands of dollars using a model. Let me just show it to you right now. So the first one is, look, let's try out my model. All right, so if I want to say, for example, I just upload a photo of myself. Here we go. So here me just wearing a t-shirt, Filipino, and I love basketball. Here we go, just wear that. Let's say, for example, I want to wear a hoodie. There's this hoodie that I've been meaning to buy by Marcus Brownlee. He's selling this really cool hoodie that I want to wear. So I just upload that, and then all you have to do is just click on run. And then, I'm just going to speed this bit. Shouldn't take too long. And there you have it. There you go. Here's your result. Look at that closely. It's actually not bad. It's not perfect, unfortunately. So for example, if you see, these two strings, they're not really properly connected to the image. My hand looks kind of wonky as well. My thumb all of a sudden just got much bigger, which is weird, but it's not perfect yet, but obviously it's just gonna give you a good idea of what it's gonna look like if you wear the actual outfit. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. All right, now let's try on an actual model this time. So let's say, for example, let's try this lady over here. And then rather than that, she would wear, I don't know, something, maybe this, I guess. Yeah, let's go with that one. All right. And let's see how that works out. Okay, there you go. That's actually not bad when you look at it. So definitely got the clothes right. I mean, yeah. Not really perfect though. It's not the same one. So as you can see, there's, the strap is very different from that one. Necklace as well is slightly different. The pose changed as well, which is quite surprising. She changed her pose. I don't know why. But yeah, look, I mean, it's like I said, it's not perfect yet, but again, it's a glimpse to what you're able to do. If you have an online business, that relates to clothing, you can definitely use this, for marketing purposes. Or, obviously, if you want to try something on before you buy, and obviously it's an online shop, you can just download the image of the actual clothes, and then you can just put it on yourself virtually. So there you have it. Again, the app is called Kolors Virtual Try-On in the wild, and it's by a website called Huggingface.com. All right, and good luck, guys. Talk to you then.